8 duck kids learning poem. It was morning by the river, the sun was soft and the air pleasant. The little duckling, whose name was Paddle, went for a walk along the riverbank with his parents. Paddle was very happy because it was her favorite time. The mother duck would tell him stories about the small stones nearby, and the father duck would talk about the beautiful trees on the bank. Paddle suddenly started running after colorful butterflies while playing Butterflies Flew, and Paddle became engrossed in catching them. When she turned around, the parents were gone. Paddle was scared. Mom, Daddy called out, but only the rustling of the wind came in response. Paddle's heart started beating loudly by the river. Suddenly a big snake peeked out from the bushes. Paddle immediately jumped into the water and swam away. On the way, in the deep water, a big fish was staring at him. Paddle hurried towards the bank, but stopped there on seeing the footprints of a wild fox. Paddle did not give up. Anya-Boo must be looking for me, he thought. She would shout, "Quack, quack, keep walking." Suddenly he heard a familiar voice. It was a mother duck. Paddle ran happily and hugged her mother. The mother duck hugged and said, "We've been looking for you." Paddle tells his adventurous story, and his parents explain to him that it is important to always stay close to them.